In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bar graph using Visme. Whether it's for a presentation, an infographic, or a report, a bar graph can be a powerful tool to visually convey data. Let's dive in and see how it's done. First, you'll need to head over to Visme and open the design where you want your bar graph to appear. This could be an existing project, like a presentation or a report, or you might decide to start fresh with a new project. If you're starting from scratch, you'll want to select a blank canvas or a presentation template to begin creating your design. Once you're set with your design canvas, it's time to use the Data and Charts tool. Look to the left sidebar where you'll see a tab labeled Data. Click that, and then select Charts and Graphs from the options within the Data tab. This will open up a world of chart options for you to explore. Among the available chart types, you'll find the bar chart or bar graph options. You typically have the choice between vertical and horizontal bar graphs, depending on your visual preference or the information you wish to display. Also, Visme offers a direct route to a dedicated bar graph maker page if you prefer that path for creating your graph. Now, let's input your data. In the Chart Data panel, you will need to type in your categories, which will appear on the x-axis, and then their corresponding values on the y-axis. If you have a spreadsheet already prepared, there's no need to manually enter all of that information. Visme allows you to import data directly from Excel or Google Sheets, saving you valuable time and ensuring accuracy. If your project calls for a more complex representation, you can even create stacked bar charts by turning on stacked bars in the settings. Once your data is all set up, you can customize the appearance to suit your needs. With your bar graph selected, head over to the settings in the chart editor. Here, you can add a title and a subtitle to provide context for your audience. Consider adjusting axis labels, the position of the legend, and the number formatting, like decimals and separators, for clarity. Don't forget to tweak the bar colors, fonts, and overall style so the graph aligns nicely with your design. Visme even allows you to play with animation and hover effects, giving your chart a dynamic edge. After you're satisfied with editing the data and styling your bar graph, it's time to integrate it into your design. Click Insert or Update, or a similarly named button to place the chart onto your canvas. Once on your canvas, feel free to reposition or resize it as your design requires. And there you have it. That's how you create a bar graph in Visme. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing!